Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Isriza bin Abdullah. So my metric number is B082010066. So for my part is about the chronology of the Sungai Selangor Water Pollution 2019 incident. So we will go to the first point is illegal waste dumping and industrial discharge. So the incident is begin with the contamination of Sungai Selangor River due to illegal waste dumping and industrial discharge. So irresponsible disposal practice and inadequate environment regulation contribute to the pollution. Okay, the number two is about water treatment process disruption. So the contamination of the river had a direct impact on the water treatment process. So the presence of pollution in the water interfered with the normal treatment procedure, making it difficult to produce clean and safe drinking water. So the number three is about water supply disruption. So as a result of the compromised water treatment process, water supply disruption occur in the Klang Valley region. So the region heavily relies on Sungai Selangor as a major source of water supply. And the pollution incident led to several days of water shortage for the population. Okay, the number four is about health and safety concerns. So the pollution of the river raised significant health and safety concerns for the affected population. Consuming contaminated water can lead to various waterborne disease and pose immediate health risks. So for the last point is about environmental impacts. So the pollution incident also had adverse effect on the local environment. So the aquatic ecosystem of Sungai Selangor was harmed, leading to the decline of aquatic life and disrupting the natural balance of the river. So in the term of engineering ethic, the incident highlight the importance of responsible engineering practice and adherence to ethical guidelines. So any engineer have a responsibility to design and implement system that prioritize the protection of the environment and public health. So from a safety and health perspective, the incident underscore the need for robust occupational safety, health and environment management system. So companies should ensure that their waste disposal practice calmly with regulation and prioritize the health and well-being of workers and communities.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zikri bin Kamal. My metric number is B0820100408. Today, I would like to explain to you about what is the effect happen referring to Oshe and environment. So, in 2019, there is Sungai Selangor water pollution in Malaysia. And the effect that happen is first occupational safety and health, which is the pollution incident pose risk to the health and safety of workers involved in the water treatment plant and distribution system. Second is environmental impact. The pollution in Sungai Selangor has several consequences for the environment. The contamination affected the river ecosystems, leading to deaths of aquatic plant and animals, such as fish. And the third is water supply disruption. The pollution incident had a direct impact on the water supply for residents and industries in the affected areas. And for the last is economic consequences. The water pollution incident had economic implication at various levels. Industry reliant on clean water of production or operation had to halt or reduce their activities, resulting in financial losses.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Nabi Rosman. So, I would like to present about our third infographics regarding these issues, Sungai Selangor water pollutions, about what happened to the victims and ethical issues regarding these problems. So, firstly, uh, this water pollution affects the beautiful regions of Selangor and Kuala Lumpur, where it involves 1,133 areas in Kuala Lumpur, Petaling, Klang, Shah Alam, Kuala Selangor, Hulu Selangor, Gombak, and Kuala Langat. So this water pollution also involve about almost 1.2 million customers in the areas that affect by the water supplies disruptions for a few days that makes the daily work of the residents in that area become difficult. So next, about the ethical issues regarding the Sungai Selangor water pollutions. So according to the report from a witness working on the project named Peters, his employer tried to bribe him to prevent him from interfering and reporting an oil spill at the scene. The witness expressed concern about the oil spill but admit that he did not know where he should report the incidents. So we can see that the employer's attempt to silence Peter suggests a conflict of interest where the company prioritizes its own interests, such as avoiding liability or negative publicity, over the well-being of the environment and the safety of individuals who may be affected by the spills. And lastly is about the law. And two suspects have been arrested to assist in the investigation of the diesel oil spill into Sungai Selangor. So both of them were remanded for 3 days. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nur Haikal bin Azliman. I'm going to present the fourth infographic, that is the solution suggested by the groups based on Oshe about the Sungai Selangor water pollution. The first one is elimination. Identify and eliminate source of pollutions. Conduct thorough assessment to identify the pollution sources and take measures to eliminate and substitute them with less harmful alternative. Encourage organization to adopt sustainable practices on water pollutions that to minimize water pollutions. The second one is engineering controls. Implementing effective wastewater treatment system and or upgrade the wastewater treatment system with advanced technologies to remove contaminants and pollutants efficiently. Second one is improve infrastructure. Upgrade aging water supply infrastructure to prevent leaks, spills and contamination during transport. The third one is administrative controls, that is to conduct regular monitoring and inspection, establish emergency response plans, and develop and also enforce stringent regulations to handle the water pollution incident promptly and effectively. And the fourth is personal protective equipment. It is to provide appropriate protective gear to equip the workers involved in water treatment processes with personal protective equipment such as gloves, masks and goggles to minimize exposure to contaminants during the works. That's all from me. Thank you.
A very good day. I'm Nandini from Beei S/1. Okay, today I'm going to explain about solution for Sungai Selangor water pollution. So the first one is strengthen regulation. Strength, strengthen regulation on wasting disposal and industrial discharge, and also increase penalties and non-compliance to deter intelligent activities. So the second solution is circular economy practice. So the point for solution number two is promote waste minimization and resource reuse, and encourage industries to adopt cleaner production technologies. So the third solution is improve waste water treatment. So we can upgrade and expand wastewater treatment infrastructure, and also implement advanced treatment technologies to remove pollutant effectively. So the fourth solution is sustainable industrial practice. So can also encourage industry to adopt eco-friendly practice, and also promote renewable energy use and efficient product process. So the last solution is public participate and awareness. So we can also involve communities in this decision making process, and also raise awareness about responsible water usage and pollution prevent. So as a conclusion, emphasize the importance of implement this sustainable solution to protect Sungai Selangor, ensure a renewable water supply, and preserve the environment for further generation. That's all from me. Thank you.